Hello, and this is a 3D printer and made by a Kingroon, and I am currently making a rainbow dwarf, kind of. It's supposedly their mascot, I think. I'm not too sure. It was one of their presets, so I'm not too sure. So, as you can see, it's different colors. So I'm currently like experimenting with it, but it prefers me to make like solid colors, like this one's yellow here. And this is what it's gonna look like in the end, but rainbow. So yeah, I also made a creeper from Minecraft using 3D printing models, and this morning I also made this rainbow creeper. I only have 4 colors, so I'm not too sure if it's actually considered actual rainbow, so yeah. So yeah, how this works is that it uses in a XYZ coordinates. So whenever the X comes like bigger, this right here moves this that way, or this way or this way, depends on which way it's going. And for the y-axis, if it goes up, it goes that way, and if it goes down, it goes this way. Or it could be the other way around, I'm not too sure. And with the z, it's this right here, and it goes higher, this goes up and down. So yeah, as you can see, I've made it different colors. So I'm gonna show you how I switched it out. So first thing that I did was I go to options here, and then I hit filament. It should stop. There we go. See, it stops, moves over here, and then I hit unload, confirm, and it starts coming out. There we go. Came out. Now we're going to do yellow, right? Yeah, yellow. We're gonna do yellow. Pull that out. Cut that. As you can see, that we do not want that in there, so we're gonna cut that. Flip this over so it's a little easier to get. Okay, so now grab that. We put that in there. So now we hit load. Loading. So now it should be loading in. There we go. It should come out down there. Oh. Maybe out. No. Let's try it. Let's do it again. There we go. That's more like it. This process of changing the colors here makes up a lot of excess plastic. So when I'm all done, I'm gonna throw that away because I can't really use that again. And then we hit that, and then we go back, and we hit resume. So it should start up again. Can't leave that there. Got it. Okay. And there we go. It's going again. So yeah, 3D printer. It's really cool.